few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Let's get into this mini vlog of my fashion Nook DIY. Gotta do a quick camera check. This is my space before, just a corner in my dining room that I'm gonna take from geek to chic. Okay, why did I find these Uggs that I completely forgot about? Like, girl, what? Listing them immediately. 2 p.m. rolled around. I had to get on my Zoom and get some protein up in me. $4.50. This is the after. Oh my goodness, I'm so in love. Everything is so colorful and so pretty. Like, I really turned this space into something fabulous. Of course, get into the pictures. Yes. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time.